he's Mr. Chris from US.
Yes.
Yeah, so he came to us 2 weeks back with the misalignment of the back. There was a severe stiffness and bit pain also. And we have given him one session 2 weeks back, and afterward he's traveled to India, from eastern side.
Eastern side, Calcutta, Shantiniketan, Varanasi.
Shantiniketan.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
So you have taken your chiropractic sessions in the US before?
yes, I was diagnosed many years ago with a misalignment, actually a scoliosis, and very gradually, both with chiropractic and regular yoga, a lot of release and reconciliation came. So that problem has been resolved, and with periodic visits, or if there's some sort of pull or injury, to assist and speed the healing process, the chiropractic adjustments have been very helpful.
So how do you experience chiropractic session in India? Here?
Very good, very good. It's a combination, of course, of heat, of muscle massage, of the breaking up of the tissues, or just by palpitation. And that then followed by an adjustment. It's really very effective.
Thank you. So let me do your second adjustment.
Sure.
We'll see, okay? Good start. So when you came, there was a mild scoliosis over there, but I can see your spine is in a much better shape. There's still some kyphotic posture is there, the kyphosis is there, but your lower back is in better shape now, and plus the muscles is also quite good, relaxed. Let me just see your leg length. Relax. Good. Your leg length is also improved, like it's so equal, almost both legs are equal now. Great. Okay, so let me give you some light. Yeah, just relax your back, loose. Yes, relax. Yep. So let me check your C7, T1. Okay. Yeah, just relax your head, loose. Loose your head, loose. Yeah, relax. Yeah, just relax your head, loose. Yes. Take a side turn to my side. Yeah, you can turn on your side. Left turn to my side a bit more. You are expert, you know how to do it. Yeah, relax. One second. Just hold the vertebra. This is very important. Yes. Hold your hand. Yeah, total relax your body, total relax your body. Breathe in, breathe out, okay? Yeah, breathe out, breathe out. Yes. Straight.
Excellent.
Relax, breathe in, breathe out. Great. So one more adjustment, turn to my side. Straight this leg. One second, just one side. Yeah, that's it. Hold your hand. Yeah, just relax your back, loose, loose. Yes, breathe in, breathe out, out. Yeah, straight. Yeah, a few breath in, breathe out to relax yourself. You can take a side turn and get up. Great.
Well, very good.
Thank you very much. Thank you,
Thank you.
viewers. Thank you, Chris.
Thank you.
Okay, please subscribe for the new videos. Thank you very much. Thank you.